Hi friends, this video is for calculating the compound interest. Okay, for calculating compound interest, we have to enter three values: the principal amount, the rate of interest, and the duration of time. First of all, we are assigning the principal amount to a variable P. Then the typecasting is performed here using the int keyword, int, input, or we can use float as well. In enter principal amount, then r equal to int input, enter rate of interest, then t equal to int input, enter time. Then the formula for calculating compound interest equal to ci equal to p star power of 1 plus r comma t. 1 plus r by 100. 1 plus r by 100 comma t. Okay, then we are printing the compound interest value. Compound print compound interest comma ci. Here we have to enter the principal amount, that is 20,000. I am giving 20,000. Then rate of interest 8. Then time 1. We get the compound interest. We got it 1800. Thanks for watching this video.